Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to format a flash memory device such as a flash drive, USB flash drive, or let's say something like a SD high capacity card to install Windows with, such as let's say Windows 7 or Windows 8. In this video I'm going to show you how to set this up in Windows 7, which in Vista it should be pretty much the same, and Windows 8 it'd be a little bit different. You access the command prompt. In Windows 7 you'll click start and type in CMD and hit enter. That launches the command prompt. In Windows 8 I believe you actually mouse down to where the little start screen pop-up shows. Don't left click but right click and you'll get some options. You'll select run and then you'll get the run window and then type in CMD to get to the command prompt. So anyways, we're in command prompt. We're going to type DISKPART. This will launch DISKPART. It's a utility that's in the command prompt. Now you'll type list disk. You'll press enter. It's going to show you all of the drives attached to the computer. We're going to be selecting disk 5. So we'll select disk 5. It's now selected. Type clean. Now type create partition primary. Now type in select partition 1. You can also type list partitions to show the partitions, but it always when you actually create a primary partition on the disk, it automatically goes as partition 1. So I'm going to press enter. Now we'll type active. Type assign. And now Windows is going to say this disk needs to be formatted. So we'll click format disk. And now we'll go ahead and format the disk using default settings. The format is complete. So now here comes the more tricky thing. You'll need a utility that actually mounts an image file to the computer, or you can use your Windows 8 or Windows 7 DVD if you have one. In this case mine was downloaded from on the hub since I'm a college student, and I haven't actually burnt a Windows 8 disk yet. So, and of course DVDs aren't the cheapest thing out there. And the computer I'm going to be installing this on has an SD reader, and it should boot off the SD reader, no problem. So I'm going to launch the program that is used to mount the ISO. And it's called Magic Disk. It's a free utility you can download off the internet. I'm going to start that. And now it's just a little bitty icon on the taskbar. I chose not to have it start with Windows every time, so because I don't use it very often. Go up here to virtual CD/DB-ROM, and of course when you install this software it actually creates its own disk, which is in this case is drive L. We'll click on mount. Now I'll browse and find the file. Which I noticed it can actually mount bin files. That's kind of surprising. I might have to mess with that later on. But basically, I gotta go ahead and navigate to my folder. It's going to be in my downloads. Windows 8 64-bit. Click on open. Okay, now I can show you where I'm at because I was going through my downloads. Anyways, let me make sure you got good focus here. Select open. And now it's actually mounted as if there was a DVD in a drive. So click open folder to view files. And as you can see, we have all the files listed. And just as a precaution, I always like to set Windows Explorer to view hidden files and folders. This is how you do it. You click on, see, organized. I'm going to show you that again. Organized, folder and search options. Click on view. Normally by default be set to this. Set it to show hidden files, folders, and drives. Now I'm going to go ahead and access the folder for the SD card, which is H. And it's empty. Select these files and drag and drop to here to copy. You can also right click on these and say copy and go over here and select paste. Now it's going to copy all of the files, which is 3.41 gigs, over to this 4 GB SDHC card. And of course, depending on the speed of your card reader and your SD media, this can, the time this takes to complete can depend. It depends on those factors. Which I've done this with flash drives, I've done it with SD cards. I've actually used the same SD card before to install Windows 8 when I did the Windows 8 demonstration on the Mid-Tower Deluxe. Just to give you a heads up what I'm doing here, got this HP Touch Smart. It's an IQ 5, I think 530 something. But anyways, it's a Touch Smart machine. And I'm going to actually try out Windows 8's touch capabilities on this. So I'll be actually uploading a video of me installing Windows 8 on this computer later today. Well, I'll be making the video later today. Not sure when it'll get uploaded, because I'm like a month behind on my videos. Got to get caught up since the school semester's over. But anyways, that's just a general idea of what I'm doing here. And wait on this to complete. Well, at this point in the video, is going to show you the SD card booting up the machine, but it turns out this HP Touch Smart does not support booting from a USB device. There is no option available anywhere in the BIOS in the boot device priorities to set it to boot from other devices or USB devices. So anyways, I had to burn a DVD. But anyways, that was a demonstration on how to create a bootable USB media for like Windows 8 or Windows 7 or something like that. So anyways, any questions or comments, feel free to ask, and thanks for watching.